so weird. It's so weird being on this side of things. And just trying to keep track of what I'm doing. It doesn't have to be anything close to perfect. Okay. That's why you do a test block. That's very far off. Decided to just go to the box store and get pre-milled lumber. So I got 2 8-foot pieces of pine that are, I think they were 10 inches wide, and then 1 thing of poplar, 1 6 by, I don't even think it was 8 feet, maybe 6 feet by 6. And that got me enough lumber for 2 boxes with a lot of extra legs. So, a lot of extra legs kicking around. But I had extra for, I still have some left, but it gave me all the parts. The only thing is that 10-inch wide board, if I was going by Chris Schwarz's measurements, I had to glue on a little strip to just make the lids a little bit wider. But this is kind of cool for all the people who, you know how we're always trying to say, don't cut all your parts first, you know, measure as you go. You really can cut all your parts first on this, except for the bottom and the lid parts. I would not cut those to length and width until you need them. But all the other stuff you can kind of just cut list out, like the legs, the 2 sides. Also, Chris did his, because it was true to the, this is the bottom, but because it was true to historically accurate, he tongue and grooved 2 boards to make up his front and back. And since I don't care if it's historically accurate, I just used a solid piece for the front and back rather than the, anyway. So, all right, what was I doing?
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. Okay. Please work. Ta-da! Oh, it works, Ben. I did it. It works. And then pop those out, paint everything, and carve it.
It's a really cool project.
It's really cool.
It's a really cool project.
It is. It's like, I'm going to do 2 of them, give each of my kids one. Maybe we carve it together because the carving is so easy. Very cool. I did it.